We've learned how to create tables from scratch in the last lesson, and today we'll master how to efficiently input data into a table. The basic rules of inputting data. Method 1. Use the powerful shortcut keys. It takes an amount of time to slide the table with tons of data. Now we introduce you to some practical shortcut keys. Use the shortcut key Ctrl-Arrow to navigate to the corresponding corner of the table. For example, select the first cell of the table and press Ctrl-Down to jump to the bottom of the table, and press Ctrl-Right to jump to the far right of this row. Use the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-Arrow to select the entire row or column of continuous data. Note that if the data is discontinuous because of blank cells in the target row, you can press the shortcut key again to select the following data. Use the shortcut key Ctrl-Home to jump to the first cell no matter where the currently selected cell is. Use the Ctrl-End shortcut key to jump to the last cell of the cell range that is already in use. Input the cell address in the name box, such as A10000, and you can also jump to this cell quickly. Method 2. Paste Special. Everyone knows how to use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, but here we'll talk about some special skills in pasting. WPS Spreadsheet provides the Pasting Special function. Press Ctrl-C to copy the table. Right-click and select Paste Special. There are many options in the dialog, like Paste Only Values, Formats, and so on. We can also carry out simple calculations at Operation. Take this table as an example, and suppose we want to calculate the employee bonus of this department. We can copy the multiplying power column, then select the bonus column and right-click to select Paste Special, and then Multiply. Now we have worked out the employee bonus. In addition, we often use the transpose function to convert a row into a column. For example, how to convert this vertical table into a horizontal one. Select the table and press Ctrl-C to copy it. Right-click in a suitable position and select Paste Special and Transpose. Then the conversion is done. Sometimes we may have copied and pasted a table, but want to change the data of the original one, and it would be troublesome to change both tables. To avoid this kind of trouble, we can choose Paste Link at Paste Special when pasting the table. Then the data changed in the original table will be synchronized to the new one. Two, commonly used fill functions: fill handle, series, and flash fill. Employers tend to prefer those employees with higher efficiency, so we need to master more convenient methods to stand out at work, and the fill functions are must-have tools for fast data entry. For example, we need to number the rows. We input 1 in the first cell and place the cursor to the bottom right corner. Then a black cross symbol appears, which is called fill handle. Now we drag the cell with fill handle to fill in numbers in sequence. You can also fill the cells to the left, or right, or up. In addition to fill series, more filling ways are available. Click the Autofill Options button in the right bottom corner and choose Copy Cells, Fill Formatting Only, or Fill Without Formatting. Another method is to fill cells by double-clicking. For example, we input a number and double-click when the black cross symbol appears. Then the WPS spreadsheet can judge the series intelligently and fill the blank cells in this column quickly. You've mastered the basic methods of filling cells, but what if you are asked to fill from 1 to 10,000? You may still choose the cells by dragging the fill handle. The fill handle can be used when dealing with small amounts of data, but not when large data are involved. Here's a better method. Input 1, select the cell, then head to the Home tab, and click Series in the Fill drop-down list. Then select Column, choose Linear at Type, and input 1 in step value and 10,000 at stop value, which means to stop filling when the value reaches 10,000. Then click OK. The cells are filled from 1 to 10,000 in a flash, which is hundreds of times more efficient than filling cells manually. Now, I'm going to fill in the date for another example. Input today's date, like January 1st, 2022. And how can I input all weekdays of the year? And by the way, we need to input the date in a standard form. For example, 01-01-2022 and 01/01/2022 are accepted by WPS Spreadsheet. Non-standard formats may cause errors in filling. Select the first date. Click Series in the Fill drop-down button. In the dialog, select Column, choose Date at Type, and choose Weekday at Date Unit, and input 1 in step value and the last day of this year, 31/12/2022. Tips: make sure the format is standard. Finally, click OK. Then the weekdays of this year are filled, and you can see any day except Saturday and Sunday is included. These are the methods of filling numbers and date. Lastly, we come to a super awesome function, Flash Fill. If you master this tool, you are able to solve a lot of problems when processing tables. Take this table as an example. Suppose we want to extract the text in this column, and in general, we choose to use the function. However, it would be much easier and faster to use the Flash Fill function. First, input the text to extract in the first cell. Then click Fill and select Flash Fill. Its shortcut key is Ctrl-E. Then the rest of the cells are filled with the needed content. The Flash Fill provides a pattern for the table, and then the table will extract the needed data according to this pattern. Sometimes there are errors in the table, but we can input more accurate content in the second cell to further learn the pattern and correct the data automatically. To give another example, the date that we exported from the system is in non-standard formats, but the Flash Fill can help us correct the formats quickly. The steps are the same as before. Input the date in the standard form into the first cell, select the rest of the cells, and press Ctrl-E. Then the wrong formats are corrected quickly. What a powerful function! Having mastered this function, we can achieve special operations by taking advantage of the strong learning ability of the table. For example, we can add symbols in text freely, swap the order of text and numbers, and so on. If you're interested, try it after class. 3. Create simple drop-down lists for higher efficiency. You may have a large amount of random and repetitive data to enter. For example, the information of the gender column and the department column is repetitive in this table. Today, I'll introduce a useful function to you. That is, a drop-down list, which can avoid unexpected information. Besides, manual input is no longer needed, which improves work efficiency and user experience. The steps to make a drop-down list are simple. Suppose I want to make a drop-down list in the department column. First, select the cell range, click the Data tab, click Insert Drop-down List, and click the plus icon to add more options. Then we enter the name of departments. If you input a wrong name, click the cross button to delete it. You can also change their orders by clicking the arrows nearby. If there is too much information to enter, you can list the names of departments in the table in advance. Click Select Choices drop-down from cells, and then select the corresponding cell range. Then click OK to generate the drop-down list. This is the simplest drop-down list, and we will learn multi-level drop-down lists in the following courses, which is more complicated. The indirection function will also be used in multi-level drop-down lists. If you are interested, stay tuned for our courses. 4. Use the OCR function for quick input. In addition to the methods described above, WPS Spreadsheet provides a cutting-edge technology, picture-to-text. It actually uses the OCR technology to analyze pictures based on optics, extract information from images, and restore layouts accurately. For example, I need to input the data in a received screenshot of a financial statement into a table. How can I make it? Click the Tool tab, click Picture to Text to pop up a dialog, and click Add Pictures to add a local picture. 3 conversion ways are available, namely Extract Text Only, Convert to the Word, and Convert to Excel. Here we choose Convert to Excel, set the save format and output path, and then click Confirm. Now an editable worksheet is extracted from the picture. Now let's review the skills we've learned in this course. 1. Use the Control Arrow shortcut key to locate anywhere in the table. Use the Control Shift Arrow shortcut key to select data. 2. Drag the fill handle with the mouse to fill the cells and use series fill and flash fill for higher efficiency. 3. Create drop-down lists to avoid unexpected information and achieve high efficiency. 4. Use the cutting-edge technology OCR to extract text and layout from pictures with one click. In the next course, we will explore the mysteries of data format. Stay tuned.